Picture a paradise where turquoise waters kiss powdery white sands. Welcome to Playa del Carmen. This tropical haven, nestled in the heart of the Riviera Maya, is a destination that effortlessly blends breathtaking natural beauty with a dynamic and vibrant cultural scene. Imagine a place where the sun seems to shine a little bit brighter, where the sea is a dazzling shade of turquoise, and where the sand is as white and soft as powdered sugar. This is Playa del Carmen, a beach lover's paradise, where every day feels like a summer day. Here, you'll find a coastline that stretches along the Caribbean Sea, dotted with palm trees and beachfront resorts, each one offering a unique view of the stunning seascape. As the sun sets, Playa del Carmen transforms into a vibrant playground of the night. The nightlife here is as warm and inviting as its beaches. From lively bars and clubs pulsating with music and energy, to more laid-back beachfront lounges where you can enjoy a cocktail under the stars. There's something for everyone when the sun goes down. But Playa del Carmen is more than just a beach and party destination. It's a place where modern amenities and conveniences meet traditional Mexican culture. You'll find bustling markets selling local handicrafts, restaurants serving up delicious Mexican cuisine, and locals who are as warm and friendly as the climate. This is a place where you can immerse yourself in the culture, learn about the history, and experience a way of life that is uniquely Mexican. Located in the heart of the Riviera Maya, Playa del Carmen is a place that has captured the hearts of travelers from around the world. It's a place that invites you to relax, to explore, to party, and to immerse yourself in the culture. It's a destination that promises an unforgettable experience, and it delivers every time. Now that you have a glimpse of this paradise, it's time to delve deeper into the must-see spots. Scene script: Playa del Carmen is not just about sandy beaches and crystal clear waters, it's a treasure trove of attractions. Our first stop is the famous Fifth Avenue, or Quinta Avenida, as the locals call it. This vibrant, pedestrian-only street is the heart of Playa del Carmen. It's packed with restaurants, bars, shops, and galleries that run for about 2 miles parallel to the beach. Here, you can immerse yourself in the hustle and bustle of Playa, sample local cuisine, pick up a few souvenirs, or simply soak up the lively atmosphere. Next, let's venture a bit further out to the eco-archaeological park, Xcaret. This sprawling park combines natural beauty, adventure, and cultural experiences into one. You can swim in underground rivers, walk through a butterfly pavilion, visit a Mayan village, and even witness a traditional Mayan ball game. Xcaret is a full day of fun and exploration, so make sure you're wearing your adventure hat. Now let's delve into history at the Mayan ruins of Tulum. Perched high on a cliff overlooking the Caribbean Sea, these ruins are remnants of an ancient Mayan port city. You can explore the ruins at your own pace, or hire a guide to give you a deeper insight into the history and culture of the Mayan civilization. The view from the cliff is breathtaking, with the turquoise sea forming a stunning backdrop to the ruins. Finally, for the adventure seekers out there, snorkeling in the cenotes is an absolute must. These natural sinkholes filled with fresh, clear water offer a unique snorkeling experience. You'll be able to see a variety of fish and underwater plants while exploring the caverns and tunnels of these underwater landscapes. These spots are just the tip of the iceberg, but they give you an idea of the diverse experiences you can have in Playa del Carmen. So pack your bags, bring your spirit of adventure, and get ready to fall in love with Playa del Carmen. No trip to Playa del Carmen would be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. The culinary landscape of this vibrant city is as diverse as it is delicious. From the humble street food stalls to the upscale dining establishments, the food scene in Playa del Carmen is a gastronomic delight that caters to every palate. Picture yourself strolling down the lively streets, the air filled with enticing aromas of sizzling meats and fresh herbs. The street food here is something of a local legend. Tacos, tamales, and other delights are served piping hot, each bite bursting with flavors that are as rich as the culture itself. Tacos al pastor, a local favorite, features succulent pork marinated in spices and pineapple, served on a soft corn tortilla. Don't forget to try the tamales, a traditional Mesoamerican dish made of masa filled with meats, cheeses, or fruits, and steamed to perfection. But the food scene doesn't stop at the streets. Playa del Carmen is home to a number of high-end restaurants where chefs play with Mexican fusion, creating dishes that are as visually stunning as they are delicious. These places offer a fine dining experience that combines traditional Mexican ingredients with contemporary cooking techniques. A trip to the coast wouldn't be complete without mentioning the fresh seafood. Enjoy the catch of the day prepared in a myriad of ways, from grilled to perfection to being served in a tangy ceviche. The freshness of the seafood, combined with the skill of the local chefs, makes for a meal that will linger in your memory. And let's not forget the traditional Mayan dishes that offer a unique culinary experience. Pibel, a technique where food is wrapped in banana leaves and cooked in a pit, is a must-try. This ancient cooking method imparts a unique flavor, making it a popular choice among food enthusiasts. The culinary journey in Playa del Carmen is as exciting as its sightseeing, ensuring your taste buds are as well-traveled as you are. Immerse yourself in the rich culture that Playa del Carmen offers. This vibrant city is a cultural cauldron, boiling with traditional Mexican festivals, bustling local markets, and awe-inspiring Mayan communities. Each of these elements adds a unique flavor to the city's cultural broth, making it a feast for the senses. Let's start with the festivals. The city is alive with color and music during traditional Mexican celebrations like the Day of the Dead or Dia de los Muertos, a fascinating blend of indigenous and Catholic traditions that honors the circle of life and death. Carnival is another cultural extravaganza, a 5-day festival filled with parades, costumes, and dancing. These festivals, and many more, provide a glimpse into the joyful heart of Mexican culture. Next, let's saunter through the local markets. These are the city's lifeblood, where you can find everything from handcrafted pottery to vibrant textiles and aromatic spices. Among the labyrinth of stalls, you'll see locals haggling over prices, artisans perfecting their crafts, and vendors selling mouth-watering street food. It's a sensory overload, but one that's worth every moment. But the cultural journey doesn't end there. Playa del Carmen is also the gateway to the Mayan world. You can visit nearby communities and learn about their traditions and ways of life that have been passed down through generations. It's a humbling experience to witness the Mayan people's deep connection to the land and their resilience in preserving their culture in the face of modernization. The city's cultural significance is not just in its past, but in its present and future. The fusion of modern and traditional, local and global, creates a dynamic cultural landscape that is ever evolving. It's this blend of old and new, familiar and unfamiliar, that makes Playa del Carmen such an enchanting place to explore. Experiencing the culture firsthand will give you a deeper connection to this enchanting city. So, come and immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of life that is Playa del Carmen. You'll not only be a visitor, but a participant in a living, breathing culture that's waiting to welcome you with open arms. Playa del Carmen, a city of sun, sand, and vibrant culture, awaits your visit. As we draw this journey to a close, let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've covered. From its stunning natural beauty to its bustling city life, Playa del Carmen offers an experience like no other. We've explored its must-see spots, each one a gem in its own right. The pristine beaches, the underground rivers at Rio Secreto, and the ancient Mayan ruins at Tulum, each offering a unique glimpse into the heart and soul of this city. We've also savored the flavors of the local cuisine, a mouth-watering blend of traditional Mayan ingredients and international influences. From the fresh seafood tacos at beachside stalls to the gourmet offerings at high-end restaurants, every meal in Playa del Carmen is a culinary adventure. And let's not forget the tequila tasting experiences, an integral part of Mexican culture and a must-try for any visitor. Adding to the allure of Playa del Carmen are the cultural experiences that it offers. The city is a melting pot of traditions, from the ancient Mayan rituals to the contemporary art scene. The colorful festivals, the lively markets, the vibrant nightlife, and the thriving art scene all contribute to the city's unique charm. But beyond the beaches, the food, the culture, what truly sets Playa del Carmen apart is its spirit of openness and warmth. The city welcomes everyone with open arms, inviting them to be a part of its vibrant tapestry of life. It is a place where every day is a celebration, every meal a feast, and every moment a memory. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable experience in Playa del Carmen, where every turn is a new adventure.